Hello everyone. So try tayo sagot ng problem nito under algebra. And this problem is under the age problem. So itong problem na ito is naging famous siya, no, kasi sobrang nakakalito itong problem na ito. So ito yung problem. Mary is 24 years old. Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. How old is Anna now? Ano daw? Ulit. Mary is 24 years old. Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. How old is Anna now? Ha? Last. Sahin ka ulit. Mary is 24 years old. Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. How old is Anna now? So kung ako, no, maka-encounter ng ganitong type of problem during the board exam, and for the third time hindi ko pa rin mag-gets yung problem, auto-skip na ako sa problem nito. And then proceed ako sa other problems. Pero this time, try natin sagutan ang problem nito. Okay? So ang problem kasi nito is tumutukoy ng dalawang timeline. Ang past, okay, tsaka present. So may certain time during the past. Okay? Ang tinutukoy sa problem. So bakit ko yan nasabi? Kasi merong word na is at saka was sa problem. So yung was lagay natin sa past at saka yung is sa present. Okay? Ito yung mga binigay na choices. 12, 14, 16 at saka 18. So gawa tayo ng table, guys, para mas ma-visualize natin yung problem. Okay? So lista natin yung mga alam natin. So during the present time, Mary is 24 years old. Bakit present yan? Kasi Mary is 24 years old. So lagay natin yan. So the present age of Mary is 24 years old. And then ang present age naman ni Anna is hindi natin alam. Yan yung tinatanong sa problem. How old is Anna now? So let's denote that as A. Age ni Anna is A, okay? So focus tayo sa second sentence, guys. Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. Okay? So ang meaning lang sa second sentence, no, is merong certain time sa past ng edad daw ni Mary is the same sa edad ni Anna during the present time. So saan yan banda? So when Mary was as old as Anna is now, okay? So yan yun. Merong certain time sa past na ang edad ni Mary is the same sa edad ni Anna sa present. So sa past, ang certain time na yan during the past, so ang edad daw ni Mary that time is the same sa edad ni Anna sa present. Okay? So ano ang edad ni Anna sa present? That is A, di ba? So lagay natin, during that past time, ang edad ni Mary is A. Kasi yan yung edad ni Anna during the present time. Okay? And then, during that time, Mary is twice as old as Anna was. Okay? So kung yan yung time na tinutukoy natin, ang edad daw ni Mary sa present is twice lang sa edad ni Anna during that certain past time. Okay, so anong meaning nun? So ang edad ni Anna during that past time is 12. Okay? Kasi Mary is twice as old as Anna. Okay, so kung times 2 mo itong 12, di ba 24? Okay, yan lang yung meaning ng second sentence, guys. So meron daw certain time sa past ng edad ni Mary is the same as sa edad ni Anna during the present time. And then during that time, ang edad ni Mary ngayon is twice lang sa edad ni Anna during that time. So kaya naging 12 yan. Okay? So in other words, i-rephrase natin yung problem, guys, para mas madali natin maintindihan. So the present age of Mary is 24 years old. So ito, nilista natin 24 years old. Mary's age now is twice the age of Anna. Okay? Twice the age of Anna during the time when the age of Mary is the same as the age of Anna now. How old is Anna now? So kung babasahin nyo ito na yung in-explain ko kanina. So, paano ba sagutan ang problem na ito? Ang one thing, no, about the age problem, okay? Ang one thing na dapat nyong palaging isipin na ang age gap ng mga tao is always constant yan. Kunwari, ngayon, I am 21 years old and our age gap is 5 years. So, after 10 years, hindi naman magbabago ang ating age gap, di ba? Kung 5 years yung age gap natin ngayon, 10 years from now, 5 years pa rin yung age gap natin. So, from that condition, no, gawa tayo ng equation. So, ang difference ng age ni Mary at saka Anna during the present time is just equal to the difference of the age of Anna and Mary during the past time. So, ano yan? So, ito yung present. Okay? Ito yung past. So, ang difference ng kanilang age is equal lang, di ba? So, 24 minus the age of Anna ngayon, okay? Yan yung sa present. And then sa past, ang edad ni Mary is the same sa age ni Anna during the present time. So, that is A minus 12. So, ito yung pinaka-condition na yung age gap nating mga tao is hindi nababago kahit anong mangyari or kahit ilang years pa ang lumipas. Okay? So, kaya nabuo natin tong equation ito. 24 minus A is equal to A minus 12. So, 2A is equal to 36. So, makukuha natin yung age ni Anna during the present time as 18. So, ito na yung final answer, guys. Ang edad ni Anna during the present time is just 18 years old. Okay? So, pag nagsasagot kayo ng age problem, isa-isahin nyo talaga. Isa-isahin nyo, sentence by sentence, and then, sentence by sentence, gawa kayo ng equation. Okay? That's all for our problem. Bye-bye.